Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I do my fresh makeup look. I've been getting a lot of support recently from my friends and family, and I am so thankful about it. Thank you! And yeah, hope you like this video. First, I'm gonna put some Moisturizer Whitening Vita from iWhite Korea. I really like this product because it really moisturizes my skin and it doesn't have any occurrence of skin irritation. It also hydrates my skin well, so it makes it look lively. This product is truly affordable. I bought this on SM department store and it's only 22 pesos from Watson store. Okay, for the next one, the baby cream I use is the baby holic that's also from iWhite Korea. I really like this product as it has over 10 plant extracts that ensures my skin is taken care of while looking refreshingly beautiful. G21 Liptint to the shade of Christine. I like using Liptint to my cheeks because it makes it have the blushy look as it helps brighten my skin. I use Barely Nude eyeshadow palette that I also bought from SM department store. It is really affordable and it has different shades and it even has highlighter. I usually use the light brownish shade for my eyeshadow. To put highlighter near my nose line and the upper part of my eyeshadow. Wait, I almost forgot to apply my eyebrow. I bought this eyebrow for only 5 pesos from a local street vendor. And actually, it's not that bad. Why am I applying a mascara when I already have the eyelash extensions on? I really like my eyelashes long because I think for me it makes my eyes look naturally elegant. that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.